What up? So today I have bought or picked up a Wheel Stand Pro. I used to have a Playseat Evolution, but I decided that it's just a bit too big for my apartment. So I will hopefully be unboxing this bad boy. Don't mind the noises. This is just slightly difficult with one hand. I don't yet have a proper setup for this, so let's see what we have in here. As soon as I figure out how to open it. There we go. It's the other way around. So we seem to have some instructions, two sides, some more instructions, and one more instruction. Then the thing itself. So it's actually already assembled, like mainly, mostly is what I'm trying to say, of course. Oh god, I am so sorry for that sound. Snip it off. Whoop, my bad. So, package here. Oh, it's heavy. Just move this aside. So here's the base. It's very neatly packaged. Let's see what we have in here. Missing some screws and other stuff. Yep. Some screws and some plates. Some big ass screws. And some more plates. And other stuff. Okay, so they're actually in different parts. Well, basically this is just so you can see what's inside the box. Well, there's actually a wrench of sorts. Yep, so that's about it. I will show you the finished product when I'm done. I also got this plate screws. It's just basically a plate which I will need to install these pedals in this position, the GT position. Otherwise they would go like the Formula position. So I wanted to keep them in the GT one, so that's why I need this adapter plate for this thing. Here it is, all assembled. Now the only thing that needs to be done is figure out where to put the cords and of course test drive.